I make carrots with lemon and honey. I want to try that one I watched in the Facebook. I will see if it is work. Okay. This one. Carrots, I grated carrots. And I put honey and lemon. It's very delicious, guys. I try. But I think it's not enough lemon. Very good. He said every morning and evening. 1 spoon morning and 1 spoon evening before you go to bed. Now I will put in the fridge. Tonight I will try to eat. Okay. So you have to try, guys. Okay.